In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Odoo HTTP error 404 step by step, even if you're a beginner. This error usually shows up when you try to access your Odoo instance and the page simply won't load, or you see a 404 not found message. Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through exactly what to check and how to get your Odoo system back up and running. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always do when you encounter an Odoo HTTP 404 error is refresh the page. This might sound too simple, but you'd be surprised how often this fixes the problem. Sometimes the error appears because the browser didn't load the page correctly, the session timed out, or there was a temporary connection issue. Go ahead and refresh the page using the refresh icon in your browser, or by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or Command and R if you're on a Mac. If you're accessing Odoo through a URL, make sure that URL is typed correctly and doesn't contain any extra characters. After refreshing, give it a few seconds and see if the Odoo login page or dashboard loads correctly. If the page loads after refreshing, then the issue was only temporary and you're good to go. If refreshing the page does not fix the problem and you're still seeing the HTTP 404 error, the next step is to check if Odoo is actually running. This is one of the most common causes of a 404 error in Odoo, especially on local installations, demo instances, or self-hosted servers. Open your browser and try accessing the main Odoo URL directly. If you're using a demo or test environment, make sure the demo session hasn't expired. For self-hosted setups, this error often means that the Odoo service is stopped or failed to start properly. If you have access to the server where Odoo is installed, log in and check the Odoo service status. On many systems, you can do this by checking whether the Odoo process is running. If the service is stopped, start it again and wait for it to fully load. Once the service is running, go back to your browser and refresh the Odoo page. In most cases, the HTTP 404 error will disappear once Odoo is running correctly. If you're using Odoo online or a hosted environment, go to the Odoo settings or management panel and confirm that your database is active and not archived or deleted. An inactive database can also trigger a 404 error when you try to access it. Make sure the database is selected correctly and that you're using the correct URL associated with that database. After checking that Odoo is running, refresh the page one more time and test the link again. If the page loads successfully, then the issue has been resolved. If not, you may need to double-check your server configuration, reverse proxy settings, or routing, but in most basic cases, refreshing the page and ensuring Odoo is running solves the problem. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Odoo HTTP error 404 using simple and effective steps. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tips, fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.